G'day, it's Lichen here, just one of the fungal growths that's up on your roof right now. Me and the boys get together, me and algae and other fungi, and we just have a great time just causing chaos, just growing all over the place. If you've got colorbon, we love getting into that and eating that up. And the terracotta, blimey, geez, that's a good time, isn't it? Yeah, we get all over that. We sometimes grow under the tiles and cause a few leaks. One of the funniest things is if you've got us on your roof, your insurer won't touch you until it's clean.
If you've looked up at the roof and you've wondered what those green patches are, the dark streaks, the moss, the algae, well, it's generally either lichen, algae, fungus, moss, or a combination of all of them. And the first solution people look for is to try and pressure clean that off. But that presents a few issues. If we think about a high pressure water, lots of water flow up around the roof, we're opening up the possibility of water getting into the roof and the ceiling and staining all the inside of your ceilings, cracking tiles, busting up the roof pointing, or if you've got painted surfaces, damaging that. There is a better way, and that is a roof treatment. If you just want to get rid of the growth, you just want to isolate the lichen, the moss, the algae, a roof treatment is a great, no-nonsense, no-hassle way to solve that problem. Click below if you want a little bit more information, and we can make your roof as clean and shiny as my head. Got a fresh